Hello to everyone jumping here. Thanks for joining this live video. We will discuss many things and I hope that it can last like 45 minutes or so. Let's see where the discussion will go. But firstly, we will begin of course with our Bitcoin. My throat is a little better right now, guys, and so I decided that this is the right time to host a live video. Thank you again for joining. Let's see some very important things. First of all, look at this here, guys. We made the 33,800 as a support level. Our first target was met here, 34,800, and now we are looking forward to go to 35,700. Hello Chris, hello. I welcome you to this live video. You can ask me of course anything you like. I am pretty fine right now. My throat is better, and of course I am waiting all of you to get in right here, and we will analyze even altcoins that have a potential to grow very much, and of course in the future you can get profits, right, for the long-term investment. Good day, Gabriel. Good day, Winnie the Pooh. Nice video, nice name, sorry, not nice video. Of course, we are going probably to 35,700. 35,700, you can see here, but let's see a little bit the commodity channel index. We stand in a little bit over and overbought situation on the 4-hour frame though, so we should be a little bit careful. But if I go to the daily frame for more of a midterm price analysis, guys, you will see that we are going a little bit, we are a little bit above the minus 100, right? Therefore, we have room to grow for the mid-term, but for the short term, we have to be a little bit careful on the 4-hour frame. However, the RSI is not in an overbought situation. Therefore, we might see something like this, for example, right here, guys. You can see this pattern that Bitcoin followed. 1, 2, 3. You can see here we were in an overbought situation, went back in again, and then back up. So we don't have to worry so much about the 4-hour frame commodity channel index. What we have to look for is the daily frame, mainly the daily frame, guys, in the for the midterm. Of course, you can look the 4-hour frame, right? Because we might have a correction soon. Hello, Philip. Hello. How are you? Yes, Gabriel, because wing is just falling and it will just go further down in my opinion, and it has just some swing highs that won't give you any profits back at all. It's better to cover some other altcoins that have a potential of covering right now, right? Because I think people are more interested in T-Fuel, for example, than wing right now. So that's why I am covering many altcoins for now. I will come back on win eventually if I see something interesting, or on holochain, for example, right? So therefore, guys, let's go now to the Bitcoin, the daily frame. And on the daily frame here, we had an overbought situation. You can see now the 200 EMA. This is the white line, the 200 EMA, guys. We found resistance here, and of course at our 41,000 Tether USD, our first target we talked about, and the next one was around 45,000. Unfortunately, we couldn't go there, but okay, it might not be so late, guys. Of course, the possibilities are getting lower, right? But it might be not so late to go in there. Hello, Gigi Sparkle, hello. And of course, right now, what are we seeing on the daily frame is that we can grow more. Yes, we can grow more for Bitcoin, and you will see something very interesting for the altcoins. First, you know the 25 June and Ethereum, right? You know the news, but we will see something very good on the daily. On the daily, guys, the commodity channel index on Ethereum is way less than minus 100. Therefore, what we expect here, is to grow. We can't go lower and lower forever. We need to have a swing high, even on a very bearish market, right? We can't go all the day lower and lower. On the daily RSI, you can see we are near 30. We are not below 30 for sure. Yeah, I get it. But you see the commodity channel index first. after the RSI, as you already know from our videos. If you are a new viewer in this live, guys, you will know that you first check the commodity channel index, afterwards the RSI. So what is a bottom for Ethereum? Let's discuss a bit about Ethereum. Is it the right time to invest in here for the long term at this price? Yes, guys, it is the right time to have a portfolio on the long term at this price for Ethereum. Can Ethereum in the midterm go to something like 1,500 or 1,200 Tether USD? Yeah, guys, it's very possible to go down there, especially if Bitcoin goes down to 26,000 Tether USDT. You know already my price prediction for Bitcoin. Then it is very possible for Ethereum to reach these low points. However, what you want to do right now, a perfect buying strategy right now, guys, is that we can invest less money here, more money as we are going down to 1,500, let's say, for example, guys, this price label right here, and a little bit more as we go down to 1,200, right? So therefore, guys, I do believe that this area right here is a perfect buying opportunity for Ethereum for the long term, because Ethereum, guys, will just bounce back stronger, right? We just bounce back stronger after the 2.0 mainnet launch, of course, and you already know what is going on. For now, let's see a bit Bitcoin and for the short term. Before I go, can we still hit the 8 cents? I know mod, I think Arcum, do I pronounce it right? I'm not sure about that. Mod Arcum, I told you that if we get above the 62 cents, if we make the 62 cents as a support level, then yes, we can. For the time being, we can't, because on DFuel we had a superstar candle on a daily frame, and you know that when we see that, it is very difficult to reapproach. I was hoping that we could go above and make the 62 cents as a support level, and eventually with the 3.0 mainnet launch, guys, on 30 June we would go upwards. But now, if we don't close above the 62 cents, you should do nothing. You should not invest, in my opinion. Not a financial advice, guys, but in my opinion, you should not invest, because right there you have a very high risk. I hope I was clear about that, mod. And let's see now some important things here to discuss for Bitcoin, right? Because we will go now on the weekly frame, and after I will go on the 4-hour frame. You can see on the weekly frame we don't have, let me remove the drawings, of course, right now, so we can see things clearly. We have made the 50-day EMA as our support level on the weekly frame. This is very good, although, guys, losing this will automatically go to 26,000 Tether USD. And of course, is it possible to see the 20-day EMA crossing the EMA on the weekly frame? Yes, it is very possible, and you can see on the weekly frame we can go even lower. This isn't our lowest point we can go, right? 26,000 Tether USD is my next price target, right? But that doesn't mean that this is the dip. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin can't go further down. Of course it can. It's just that at 26,500, guys, Tether USD, we have a very strong support level, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, starting from the all-time low of the Bitcoin, ending to the all-time high. We have the 0.618 as a support level at 26,500. You know, therefore, what about AMP, Chris? AMP, okay, we can discuss a little bit about AMP right now. Let's see the USD, and of course I will go to Poloniex Trading View. You can see here where I am, and I don't see AMP, guys, as something that it is possible to, of course, go even higher and retest our previous high right here. I don't see that we can retest easily our previous high, although our next price target, guys, is the 0.068 or cents, and eventually the 7.3 cents or the 7.9 cents after we make the 6.8 cents as a support level. So I have uploaded, Alexandria, I have uploaded a video about Matic in today. Of course, I am daily updating all the way Matic, you know that. So you can check this out. For the time being, I will just now focus on VeChain. Of course, Gabriel, I uploaded today a video about VeChain too. I just uploaded a video about all of these guys. So yes, my voice is better, Alexandru. So let's see a little bit about let's see C8Z, right? C8Z, guys, C8Z. It is a very I want to see that too because I don't know, guys. Let's see the US dollar. CZ actually doesn't look like it can reapproach even this high anytime soon. Although, let's see a little bit the daily frame because I want to go in the daily frames. Yeah, okay. Look, CZ can make maybe a swing high if we have room to grow even more, a little bit more. But don't expect CZ guys to just go into this previous high, for example, right here at 85 cents. Now it is a consolidation period, and for CZ there is not much to say for now. I will, of course, daily update for CZ. We can hit some higher targets for it. Of course, yes, we can. But I will cover it with a video better, I believe. To 0.5, yes, it is very possible, GG, to go back to 0.5. It is very possible. I made a video today. If you saw, yes, it is very possible to go to 0.5. But it is less and less possible, even with a 3.0 mainnet launch, to go back at 80 cents, right? So eventually we will see about that. Right now, guys, I want to show you something very interesting. Low cap, an altcoin, guys, that I trust a lot. I don't know why. I just went into this, and you can see that it is pre-search because I find it really good. It has low market cap, guys. It is like a Google extension, right? You can search everything you want, and it is very good for me for the long term. I'm talking about the very long term. If you want to hold for a year or two, this is a great project. Also, DHEDS for me is a great project, right? What changes in YouTube algorithm? I don't know what you are saying, Gabriel, about what, but you can see DHEDS. You can see DHEDS is like someone else. It's like a hedge funds based on Ethereum protocol, guys, and it is very good. This is an altcoin for me that could potentially grow even more, right? And you can find some guys right here that can control your money. Of course, you can invest your money in them if you have to you have a top 10, let's say, that, and I have a hedge fund for something like Ethereum or Bitcoin or like any other altcoin that I invest. And of course, you can find some guys right there that will take you to have profits, right? Okay, for me personally, DHEDS is a very good project as well as pre-search. But of course, guys, you can do whatever you like. This is not a financial advice. Was just like a parenthesis, guys, for some altcoins that have a potential to grow in the long term, not in the short term, in the long term. So let's go back to Bitcoin, guys, and of course, Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame. You can see Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame. You can see that we are now in an overbought situation here. It is very likely to correct. Very likely from now on to correct a little bit. Once we go up to 50-day EMA, guys, we might just correct a little bit. But okay, I believe that we can go further above. I really believe, guys, that we can go to 35,800 around this area right here, guys. Let's see where it is, right there. I do believe we can go here. The reason is, guys, that I believe on the daily frame we can grow more. So even if in the 4-hour frame we just lose a moment of our support line and go a little bit down, I believe we can retest and go upwards because we can't go down forever. We can't go down forever, and we need to have a significant swing high. We are though on a bearish market. Let's go guys to Ethereum. Guys, in Tether USD. Let's find the USDT. Actually, I will go first to Bitcoin, Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and you can see on the daily something that I didn't like to see. The 20-day EMA, guys, is crossing the 50-day EMA, and this is something that I don't like personally. The commodity channel index is a little bit minus 100. Okay, we can grow from now on. I think we will have a significant swing high for Ethereum against Bitcoin, but the problem is here that I don't want to see this bearish cross happening. In the daily frame, the 20-day MA crossing the 50-day MA. The good part is that we stand in an oversold situation for quite some days right now. From 11 June, guys, we didn't seem to go upwards, guys. We can't seem to have a significant swing high. So therefore, I do believe that we might see that. For the long term, yes, for the long term, but what you suggest long term? Because I would tell you that it could be months, right? Could be 6, 7, 8 months, and we can go further above than 80 cents for sure. We can go to $1, but I am not the guy that will tell you that we can go to the moon, right? Let's take it step by step. I always say that in my viewers, because I will tell you something that most people don't tell. When you're going for the long term, you are increasing the risk. The risk is getting higher and higher. If you just go for the 6 months or the 8 months, this happens with with the altcoins, right? It doesn't happen with Bitcoin, for example. It doesn't happen so much with Ethereum, but you are increasing the risk for other altcoins. Therefore, I personally want to take it step by step. But yes, if you ask me about 6 or 7 months, or when this bullish cycle will begin again, bullish market, guys, not bullish cycle, because we are in a bullish cycle, then yes, I believe that we can go further above. Yes, join the Telegram family. Thank you for pointing it out. And also, guys, join the Signal group. Join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description for many of my videos. Join the Telegram group chat. Join the monthly subscription if you want to take easy profits. And of course, you can just subscribe and hit the like button if you can, if you're a new viewer. Thank you so much. And of course, we will see that on this particular day, Ethereum against Bitcoin is very, very crucial, because you will notice, guys, that Ethereum is controlling many altcoins. I mean, they are built in its platform, right? Of course, in a price, guys, when Ethereum goes down, other altcoins will follow. Of course, Ethereum follows Bitcoin as well. But when Bitcoin is increasing so much, altcoins will just not follow. This is not always the case, guys. This is not always the case that altcoins won't follow, right? But personally, I think that all the time, guys, I am in the 4 years in the cryptocurrency market. I have studied and I'm observing the market, and I've seen that when Bitcoin goes like really, really fast higher, altcoins lag a little bit. Then altcoins for about a week or so will move upwards, right? But you always have to check altcoins against Bitcoin chart. And the main check is the Ethereum against Bitcoin. So Apple, Facebook, and Tesla stocks go to Solano. I'm not sure about that, Gabriel. I'm not sure about that. Yes, Chris, thank you. You are a part of the Telegram and of the Signals group. Thank you so much for this. And so let's go now to the Ethereum against Tether USD. Guys, I think this is the most important one, right? This is the most important one. You always want to know what will happen with Ethereum. I told you after this bearish close right here between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, we would go all the way downwards. Can we go further down from here? Yes, we can, but as we are going a little bit down, I believe now we are going to have a significant swing high before falling down to 1,500, 1,200 or so. Because yes, guys, we can go way below, but I believe in a significant swing high before we go all the way down. I really do believe that because of the daily RSI commodity channel index and the MACD, we can't just keep going down and down. You can see here after this bearish cross on 15th May, we haven't got a serious bullish recross, because you already know, guys, it isn't necessary that we have a bullish recross here and we go upwards. We need some further distance between those lines, and eventually we need the signal line to follow the blue line and stay beyond the blue line. So therefore, guys, I do believe that Ethereum will have a swing high momentum, will have its momentum. We are not done yet, although you should be careful. Bearish market, guys, be careful, and of course you need to be patient. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. So right now, guys, for Ethereum, I believe we will see a swing high. For other altcoins, this will mean that we can retest some higher price targets, right? But if you want to be certain, you have to check, I believe, first the commodity channel index, secondly the RSI, check of course the SL hybrid if you want, and many other things. Thank you. Hello Michael, how are you? I am pretty good. I am better today, guys. I can talk significantly better, but not so much better, right? Okay, my throat is clean, but it could be better, but it could be worse. Anyway, I won't whine anymore. I won't keep whining, guys. Right now, we have a live video to cover, and we have to show where is the Bitcoin going. So eventually, guys, for me, 26,500 is the next low before we get afterwards a very critical point and get a very significant swing high after the 26,500. On the 4-hour frame, now we were in an overbought situation. We are still now, but that doesn't mean anything. I showed you before. I will show it again for the ones that were not in this live, because you can see here what we did on 8th June. We went upwards, we went into an overbought situation for the commodity channel index, then went down, we correct a little bit because we were in an overbought situation. You can see the commodity channel index being in an overbought situation. We went into an oversold, then we went back up again, making a higher high and a higher low pattern. Alright, so eventually, yes, we might do that. We might just correct a little bit and then go upwards. But you need to be extremely careful. If you are not sure, don't invest. And if you are a mid-term investor, then I would suggest you just to wait. If you want to take profits with swing trades, it is fine by me, guys. I myself take profits with the swing trades, right? Yes, best wishes, Gigi. Thank you for joining, of course. You are a part of this community. Thank you so much, everyone, guys. I really mean it. You are like the best community that I ever had or I ever joined, right? Because I myself was in some other communities before I do a project like this, and you are the best. Thank you so much. You are so respectful towards each other in the Telegram group chat. I love it. So right now, let's go and see if we can. How many are the chances actually to go 35,900? For me, guys, it is around 70-30. 70% go there, 30% go down. Sometimes in the market, you are in a position that you are doing a technical analysis and you are not so sure where you are going, right? But of course, guys, most of the times you should be sure where you are going, because that's why you are doing the technical analysis, and that's why people that are always speaking about generic things, yes, it might go upwards, or then afterwards it will go there, and afterwards, if it breaks that, then we go. Yes, if we talk about the generic things, people that talk about generic things are people that don't know, in my opinion, technical analysis. You have to know, but sometimes you can be in a you might be in a way that you don't know exactly where you are going. I myself have been in this moment when all of these indicators are having an indecisiveness. You don't know where it is going, and it is best to just hold and wait. Observe the market, hold and wait, right? You need to hold and wait. Thank you, Kaylee. Thank you so much. That's my guys. That's my mission here. That's my mission. It is my mission to just reduce the poverty and, of course, to help you get money. I know I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm doing my best, right? I'm doing my best because of my economical background, of course, and all my years in the cryptocurrency market. Thank you so much. I explained everything clearly, because if you know, you can explain everything clearly. If you don't know what you're talking about, you can't explain everything clearly. That's what you need to understand, and that's what you which YouTubers you should follow. The YouTubers that know how to talk about. And of course, there are many decent YouTubers out there, guys. Of course, there are many decent YouTubers, and I suggest you to follow as much as you can, but eventually pick the ones that suits you perfectly and more. I don't think you should pick the Moon Boys. I think you should pick people that know what they are talking about. So for now, let's go now to Bitcoin. And you can see that Bitcoin, it is my price prediction for like 2 months now, guys. 26,500. Mark my words there. We will go there. I hope that I'm totally wrong, right? I hope that I am wrong and we won't get there, right? And we just start to build an all-time high from here. We just have to go and just go all our way upwards. Like the week of distribution. You can see, guys, the week of distribution that says we can go there and we will go upwards. But the week of can't exactly predict the bottom. The week of distribution is a pattern that shows us some phases, right? But we can't exactly know the bottom. But I'm giving you the levels to know the bottom. Going beyond the 26,500 will get us surely to 20,000 Tether USD. But not going up beyond finding support, we will have a significant swing high at the 26,500. That's for sure. That's for sure, guys. And sorry about the energy. Sorry about the other movements of my hands or anything. It's just that I am being passionate about that, guys. This is my passion. Sorry, but I'm being passionate, guys. And of course, I want you to understand, because having the technical analysis in your hands will just increase your amount of your portfolio, right? Because big institutions use technical analysts. Big institutions, guys, use technical analysts. So therefore, they are manipulating the market. Of course, big institutions manipulate the market, but they are using technical analysts to do so. So of course they are manipulating the market, but they know exact time due to the technical analysis that they will manipulate the market. If you get what I mean, of course. And so you need to have your technical analysis in your hands. There are many times that I am wrong myself. I admit it. But it is better to be on point in every video and be sometimes wrong than being generic and just talk blah 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 blah. This way might happen, this might not. 50% to happen, 50% not to. Okay, I can do that myself, right? It's very easy. So right now, let's go to the short term. For the short term, guys, I told you very possible to hit the 50-day MA having a correction due to the commodity channel index, but therefore it is also possible that we will make higher lows and higher highs, and eventually 35,900 is our next price target. What do I think about Theta? I think that I will make a video probably. I will make a video, Michael. I think that in the next few days, just wait a little bit, because right now, because I have to cover Theta for about 10 days or so, it is difficult right now to get into the Theta and do a technical analysis from the start, from scratch, you know. So because I want to be on point, I don't want to go to Theta right now and tell you we might do something like that or something like this. I want to be exactly sure for what I'm talking about. So it's better for you to wait a little bit. I will have a video here, guys. I don't know about your cities, but here it has like 40 degrees Celsius. I mean, it's amazing, guys. I am just burning. In Greece, I am burning. It's so hot in here, and of course, I, I mean, I can't really handle it, as by the time I speak, guys, I'm just sweating already. So it is very, very difficult to just wear a t-shirt or anything, guys, and just do a live video. It is very, very hard. Trust me here, 40 degrees Celsius, guys. It is amazing. So right now, we will go there. Ethereum, guys, I told you already, I am expecting a swing high before going down to 1,564, 1,271. And of course, right now, I'm not telling you exact price targets because I don't want to go into a position drawing some Fibonacci retracements and losing some important time. Because right now, I believe it is the time. If you don't want to ask me anything else, we approach a time that we might end the live video, because as you already know, guys, I am having like 4 videos a day. I upload like 4 videos a day, and it's hard for me. 40, not 14, 40, Patrick, 40. Oh, that's okay. Nice, nice. Where are you? New York. You live in New York City. Nice. I didn't know that. Yeah, Kaylee, you can come in anytime you like, and of course burn in here. Guys, you are always welcome. If you come to Greece, please tell me, please send me a message. I will welcome you with all my heart here. And of course, you can ask me anything you like, right? About my education, about my studies, where am I right now, and who am I? Bill is 28 years old, right? He lives in Athens, Greece. So therefore, nice, nice, very, very nice. Philadelphia are nice, guys. I love the multicultural thing here going on. But of course, I would like to know about everyone, your lives or where you are living in. I would like to know about everyone. But of course, I have to do the video as well. So right now, guys, the Ethereum on the daily frame is looking solid. We are in an oversold situation. On the 4-hour frame, we can go even higher, but we are finding the 20-day MA as a resistance level so much, guys. You can see here, we are finding the resistance level, the 20-day MA as a resistance level. We want just to surpass this, to cross above and go to 50-day EMA. Yes, okay, Amit. I am agricultural economist. My last 2 years of my studies were in economics. I have gone in with some seminars about the statistics, and afterwards I have the master degree at environment and development from Technical University of Athens. Now I am in a winery as a manager, guys, of in the Xenos winery. That's how it's called in the Greece. And now, of course, what I would love to do is to do this as my main income right now, to just do the videos, the cryptocurrency, everything. I would love it to be as my main income. Right now it is not, and I have to do some other things for living. Of course, I'm doing day trading. Of course, I'm having some money with trading, because you already know I am from 2017 in the cryptocurrency market. So you already know in my long-term portfolio, it is pretty good. My short-term is increasing, although now I do some less trading because of the situation right here on the bearish market. So Amit, I hope that I answered to you what I'm doing for a living. And also, guys, I have the signals, the monthly subscription, where I get some money from there, and I am trying my best to develop the buying opportunities, the signal buying opportunities. Of course, if you join, you will understand, but if you don't, you will have benefits as well. Do not worry about that. Yes, Amit, this is what I'm doing for a living. This is who am I, and now I live in Athens, Greece, 28 years old, not married yet, I am not in a hurry to marry, although I might do it, you know what I mean. Right now, I am, of course, I'm not married, I don't have any kids, so I can just have some more time to do some videos, to work, you know. If I get married and do kid and have kids, then yes, the time will be pretty less. And of course, I don't know, then I might not be able to upload like 4 videos a day, because you know it needs some preparation going on, right? I need to just do some preparation before I upload the videos, because I need to be exactly on point. I don't want to mess with you around, because this what we are doing is we have to be passionate about what we are doing, guys. YouTubers have to realize that we are going public. We are going public in the whole world. Therefore, we are responsible about the information we are giving. You can't be the guy that just goes in the YouTube and just talks blah 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 without having any significant respect for the viewers, right? Thank you, Patrick, so much. BTC, we're looking for long or short Suriam. Bitcoin on the 4 hour frame, I explained before, we are looking for a little bit short, you can see here, but on the daily frame, we can look for long, because we are on the daily frame, we have room to correct. Although, as I told you, we don't want to see a pattern like this, because that would mean we will lose some major support levels. We can't go in down, and furthermore. If you are a mid-term investor, I have suggested always to wait till we go to 26,500. That's my suggestion, guys, and that's what I believe you should do. Wait a little bit to 26,500 and then we can go. Hamid, yeah, I hope so. Look, I'm fighting to grow fast. This, of course, is something that I don't know if it's growing fast right now or not. All I want is that I want to grow in a way that I will just have my viewers, and of course I will respect the viewers, right? Because this is the most important one. Giving information that respects the viewers, not telling everyone Bitcoin will go to 800,000 guys or 100,000 USDT guys soon, like in 1 month we are going upwards, or the week of, according to the week of distribution, we are about to go there and then go to all-time highs. No, this is not a possible scenario, right? So therefore, Athens, Ticho, I'm in Athens. Alexandra, I'm in Athens. Where are you from? It would be great if you come to Greece in September. Of course, I would be very happy if you come to Greece, guys. Anyone that wants to come to Greece. I am growing also my hair right now, and this is something that it doesn't help with the weather situation here, with how hot it is right here. Uh, yeah. I'm not judging any YouTube channel. I'm just saying that all right, don't trust Moon Boys, please. Do it for me. Don't trust Moon Boys. Don't trust someone that tells you that we are going all the way upwards from now, or in June we will go to test the previous all-time highs, or in July, right? Don't trust anyone that tells you this. Please be careful with your money. You don't want to lose money because someone is just exaggerating, or tells you that ADA is going to $12 or so in the next months, right? Just be patient, guys, and you will take profits. Don't worry, you will take profits, because as we are in a bearish market, there are great buying opportunities, guys, for the long term. Yes, we are going, and we will be getting into a point where we will go in the top, right? So, Suryam, for me, a great YouTuber that has some great books for Bitcoin or so is Antonop. If you search the YouTube, and of course you will have some books right there. He has some books that it gives you the reality and gives you what Bitcoin really is. You can check it out, and you can check his videos, because from the start, from 2015, he joined, I think, Bitcoin in 2010 or so. I'm not so sure, and he just had the great idea, and he explains everything so perfect, right? So I believe you should start with these guys' videos and books, and therefore you can continue in whatever and whichever book you like, Surya. So, guys, I believe that's it for right now because I am. We have passed already the 39 minutes 40 around. I was. Uh, yeah, I follow. Look, I like from YouTubers. On the macro perspective, I would say that I like Benjamin Cohen. I like the A Antonop. But for now, guys, before because in my first periods of years from 2017, I was following some, but right now I don't follow many because, in my opinion, there are few that are actually worth it, that they know what they are talking about, especially in the daily technical analysis, what I'm doing right here. I'm not, I don't try to be, don't misjudge me, guys. Of course, I'm not saying that I am the only one that can do that. No, no, I'm just saying that there are like 5% of the total upload YouTube videos that guys know what they are talking about, right? In this area, I am just having the technical analysis. Oh, I'm not sure, Surya. I'm not sure. Uh, Discord, yes, I had a poll in the Telegram group chat. I had a poll about the Discord, and I didn't find something. I don't know. Most people voted no. I think back in the day when I had a poll about the Discord, most people voted no. So I let it like this way. I didn't hold the Discord or something like that. For now I have the Telegram group chat because I have also the signals, guys, the monthly subscription that I talked about, because I have also the signals. It is very, very hard for me to just have anything else right now, but I will look about it. I will look about Discord. I'm not saying that I won't set up a Discord group chat, right? Because eventually I can get there one time of the week, one day of the week, and of course we can discuss some more things. And of course we need to discuss who are we, guys, because I love to meet people. I am a multicultural guy. I love meeting people, and of course discuss a little bit about ourselves, what we are doing, right? This is something that I love, except from the part that I do the technical analysis and this stuff, of course. So, guys, I'm planning now on closing this live video. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being a part of this live video. More will come, guys. Do not worry. I will be here. I will be here every day. Thank you for joining. Have a fantastic day. And Ashuriam, I will close right now, but I will have in the next live video, I am sure to have. Thank you. See you soon with many, many more videos, guys. Join our Telegram group chat if you are new. Now, well, if you watch this channel for the first time, join our Telegram group chat. I have the links in all of my videos in the description boxes. Thank you again for joining. See you soon with many, many